Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
I'm also good. 8 p.m.
Yeah, APM is not a name. It's it's my it's my native name.
Okay, okay, but your real name
Yeah,
is Pardeep.
Pradeep is my name. Pradeep.
Okay, okay,
This is
okay.
right.
Okay, it's okay, brother.
Yeah, I meet a lot of person from Bangladesh. Their native is Nada. Know that? Yeah. Where are you from?
I'm also from Bangladesh.
Yeah, your state. The state.
Bangladesh have a no state. Bangladesh are a very small country. We have a division and we have a district. We have a eight division.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Not a large
Okay.
country.
Okay. Okay.
India is large country.
Uh, yeah, but always say they are from Nada. Why they say so?
Not
Nada?
Dhaka, Dhaka,
Yeah, Nada. Taka. I
Dhaka,
said it wrongly.
Dhaka, not
Taka.
Noida.
What does that mean?
Dhaka is our capital city.
Capital of Bangladesh.
Yeah, yeah, Dhaka is capital of Bangladesh.
Okay, okay. They always say from Tada. Taka. Taka.
Dhaka. D-I-C-K-A is a
Yeah.
Dhaka.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Dhaka.
So what are you doing?
Yeah, now I am talking with you, but basically I am a student. And brother, exactly where are you from
What?
in India?
I'm from Tamil Nadu.
Yeah,
What?
Tamil Nadu is
What?
Tamil Nadu is my favorite, basically.
Your favorite
Yeah, yeah.
state?
I have interested about Tamil Nadu better than India.
Why? What, what is your who is your favorite actor from
Not
there?
actor, not actor, not actor, not a actress. I have a interested about Tamil Nadu's culture, educational system, and everything. Because Tamil Nadu is very rich state in India, and they have a high
What?
value. They have a very interesting people, and they have a very mature people in Tamil Nadu.
Yeah, I think you like a girl from South India.
I am look like
Yeah,
a South India.
you look like a Indian. Okay, that's yeah. You can live here.
Yeah, I this is my honest review. Many
What?
many India's people are not good, but South Indian people is very good.
Yeah, North India is different than South India.
Yeah, yeah,
South
yeah.
India is
Yeah,
better,
yeah, yeah.
I
North
think.
Indian, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, and
Yeah.
Delhi,
There is so
and
many people not good.
yeah, yeah, yeah. And Haryana's people are very not good. No. I am
Yeah.
talking with lots of people. They are from
Yeah,
this state, and I am not satisfied.
yeah.
But I am
Lot of
satisfied.
people use this app from so North India.
Yeah, 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 yeah. But I am always interested about South Indian people because I want to know about their culture or revelation about their educational system and your state village are very mind blowing. A small house and a small structure are very friendly environment, human friendly
Oh,
environment. Yeah.
yes, yes. Even everyone feels that.
Yes.
Like the feeling. Everyone feels that feelings.
Hits.
That connection with South India.
Okay, okay. I'm watching some
Yeah.
video in YouTube, some travel blog, and some documentary about Tamil Nadu, about Kerala.
Yeah, even Kerala is super nice place.
Yeah, there are lots of mountain and the tea garden.
Yeah, I like the culture from the Kerala.
Yeah. I think Kerala is very rich, right?
Yeah, uh, in studies, Kerala is superb. I
Yeah.
think that
By the way,
so many people.
you have some noise.
Yeah, I am the roadside, so there is a lot of vehicle.
Okay. It's okay. It's very
Yeah.
normal for me.
So that so
I
is that a power? What?
I am inviting you. Please come in my country and visit my country. I will host you.
So may I know where are you from right now in your place
Yes.
in Bangladesh?
Y-
In Bangladesh, your place?
Yeah. My country, Bangladesh is my country.
Yeah, I know Bangladesh is your country. I asked your place.
My place.
That yeah.
Yeah. Where I live in,
How can I
right?
come?
Right.
How can I come? How can I ask them for
Okay,
for
okay,
route?
okay, 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 okay. Basically, I live in Borishal. Borishal is my division. Yeah, it's south part of Bangladesh. Hmm. This is
Okay, 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 okay.
I am
But
sent.
we ask
Yeah. Please accept.
what? Yeah, I accepted it because I don't know how to use this app. Uh, Even what time is going on?
1 minute.
I accepted it, but
But
it.
why? Okay.
Okay, okay, okay. After time is gone, the another time is come on.
Okay. My
I
capital
don't
is
know about that.
Dhaka. You want to come in my country, so you need a Indian visa. You need my country's visa, and you application. You will application in Bangladesh High Commission in India. After that, they approved your application. Then you come my country.
Okay,
This
okay.
is not easy for
Okay.
you and for me because
Yeah,
yeah.
even I don't go far in far anything.
Okay, but few
Uh,
years later
I
you will
just-
come in my country, I hope.
Even I didn't go any another state from except India. Tamil
Okay.
Nadu.
Okay. By the way, how old are you?
I'm 22. How old are you?
I'm 24.
You're 24.
Yeah.
Before clean shave, you look like a younger than me.
No. You are very younger than me. Basically, first of all, I guess you are 18.
Yeah. I'm 18.
Yeah. This is my thinking.
Yeah. Yes. So many of people thought that.
Okay. You have a
Yeah.
your hairstyle and your braid style are similar to me.
Yeah, but I don't have that anything. I
Okay,
saved this only. I
okay.
don't have anything in here that spark. I don't know. There is gone.
Okay, are you a student?
Yeah, I got a job. I'm an operator.
Operator?
Yeah, assembly.
Assembly?
I'm an assembly operator.
Assembly operator mean? Tell me details.
Uh, Assembly operator means making it, taking a two part and making it one. It's called assembly. Assemble something.
I have no idea about it. This is not a popular in
Oh,
my country.
okay. So many of people don't know that.
Okay, okay, okay.
It's not a problem.
Okay.
Uh,
Brother, by the way,
so, what?
how many members in your family?
Uh, in my family is are four.
Four.
Yeah, me and my brother and mom and dad.
Okay, but I have a seven member in my family.
Oh, you are seven.
Yeah, yeah.
I think you are joint family.
Yeah, yeah. No, no, no. Not a joint family. My father, my mother, and my four sister and me.
Oh, four sisters.
Yeah.
Oh,
Sister are very blessing for me. They are
yeah.
very
But
good.
I don't have any sisters for me.
It's God's plan.
Yeah, they are. They will be nice.
Of
Uh,
course, nice.
if
Sister are
I
very
have,
nice. Sister are very nice.
yeah,
Honestly.
yeah, if I had them, my mom doesn't work anymore.
Okay.
They will take care of them.
Okay. By the way,
Mm.
nice to meet you, Pradeep. But please
To me,
tell me details. The APM means
API means is called Anandapuram. You know,
I can't
Anandapuram.
I can't pronounce this.
Yeah, everybody don't know that, but I'll type it.
South Indian name is very difficult. Very difficult. Honestly, very difficult. South Indian
Yeah,
language is very difficult.
yeah.
What is your mother tongue?
My mother tongue is Tamil. I shared that I am from Tamil Nadu. My mother tongue is Tamil. So,
Okay, it's very hard for me. Anta Parma Mama. I can't.
Ananda- it's
Don't worry,
it's
brother. Don't
called
worry. Don't worry, brother.
Anandapuram.
Don't worry. You are very funny. Hmm.
Yeah, maybe, maybe.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Brother, by the way,
Uh,
please, my name is Jidan Hawk. What is your name? Please translate this in your mother tongue.
Why, but how do I translate me in my mother tongue? In my mother tongue, is also Pradeep. It's called Pradeep.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Amma means in your mother tongue.
Am- Amma means Amma. Amma.
Amma means Amma.
Amma. Yeah.
Amma means
In
mother.
Amma means mom, mother.
Mother.
Amma. Yeah.
Brothers,
Uh,
brothers call.
uh, for elder brother, it's Anna. For younger
Yeah, yeah,
brothers, it's Tambi.
Anna. But I said with Amma, but
Yeah.
this is I want to say with you Anna means brother, right?
Anna means elder brother.
Elder brother.
Tambi means Tambi means younger brother.
Tambi,
Yeah, Tambi.
Tambi, and Anna
Yeah,
and sister
Tambi. For sister is Sagodari. Sagodari, Sagodari.
Sagagari,
Sagodari.
Sagaudari.
Yeah, Sagodari. For sister is
Yeah,
Sagodari.
brothers,
Sagodari or Tangachi.
brothers call bhai in my mother tongue, and sister calls bone. Bone. Apu.
Bone.
Yeah, bone.
Like the bone.
Yeah, bone, bone
Yeah.
in my mother tongue.
For brother. Brother
Brother,
what?
brother means bhai. Bhai, bhai,
Bye.
bhai. Yeah, in
Yeah.
in Bengali language.
Hmm. like Hindi bhai.
थोड़ा थोड़ा similar.
Yeah, bhai. Arey bhai,
अरे भाई.
कैसे हो? I like that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
By the way, Pradeep, nice to meet you, my
yeah,
brother. I want to talking with you more,
yeah,
but we have no access. We have not enough time.
yeah. We have not that time. Even I have not that time.